In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow Ecommerce tutorial. To get started, open Webflow and launch your project in the Webflow Designer. This is where you'll unlock the tools needed to turn a regular site into an online store. If you're already familiar with the designer, this process will feel very natural because e-commerce is built right into the same workspace. Once you're inside the designer, head over to the left sidebar and open the CMS area, then click e-commerce. As soon as you do that, Webflow will begin preparing the core structure of your store. It automatically creates the required collections for e-commerce, including products, categories, and SKUs. These collections are essential because they organize your inventory, product variations, and product grouping behind the scenes. Next, start adding your inventory by opening the e-commerce panel and going into the products collection. This is where you'll enter your products and begin building out your catalog. Take your time here, since accurate product information will make the rest of the setup much smoother. After your products are in place, move to the Pages panel and open the Products Template page. This page controls how each individual product will appear to customers. Instead of designing every product page one by one, you create the layout once here, and Webflow uses that structure for all products in the collection. Now you can begin customizing the product page by dragging in elements like headings, text blocks, and images. Then bind each of those elements to the matching fields in your product collection. This dynamic connection is what makes the system powerful, because your design stays consistent while the content changes automatically from product to product. To make the store functional, add an Add to Cart button and include the shopping cart widget. These elements allow visitors to select products and manage their cart without leaving the experience of your site. Make sure these are easy to find and clearly placed on the page. From there, open the settings panel on the left and go into e-commerce settings. Here, enter your business address, choose your store currency, and set the unit system you want to use. These foundational settings affect how your store operates and how customers see important details. Next, under payment methods, connect the gateway you want to use, such as Stripe or PayPal. After that, configure your shipping methods, shipping zones, and tax settings so orders can be processed correctly based on location and delivery requirements. Once everything is reviewed and ready, launch your store. At this point, your Webflow e-commerce setup is complete and your site is ready to start selling online.